Time to take the BTSC trades from our chartist. Kunal, what's your BTSC trade?
So the two buy calls which I've given, first is one Poonawalla FinCorp. That's something which looks attractive for a target of 520, stop loss at 475. And Ingersoll Rand is something which is also coming back into after 3 month or 4 month of consolidation. So would suggest a buy with a target of 4040 at stop loss at 3720.
Right, okay, let me hand it over to Vinny now and find out how the day has shaped up. Vinny?
So looking at the day today, yes, we recovered from the day's lowest point at the end of the day, managing to close on with cuts of only 0.5% in trade. Nifty holding on to 22,150 levels at the end of the day. Sensex also seeing a decline of around 5/10 to 0.6% in trade. What managed to hold on to some bit of a gain today when you're looking at it is, let's pull up Nifty Auto. That's among the top sectoral gainers. Other than that, we have the Nifty Pharma that managed to hold on to some bit of a gain there. So yes, keeping an eye out on Nifty Auto, Nifty Pharma, FMCG pack. Let's see what that did, because that also saw a bit of a gain, and that's what we're keeping an eye out on. And other than that, the Nifty Media managed to see very strong gains of 1.6%, managing to close the day on the positive side. In terms of an up move, today we did have all the oil and gas names that in the Nifty were seeing a buzz as well, and other than that also they were seeing a buzz. So ONGC surely seeing a very strong uptick of almost 1.2%. Other than that, we did have GAIL, which was in focus as well, HPCL, Oil India, all of them managing to at least hold on to that green side. Let's pull up Senco, because that's among the third consecutive day of gains that we saw for Senco Gold, and this was after its strong Q4 update. We did have a brokerage note that came in from MK as well, and that's keeping the stock a buzz. Other than that, we did have focus on New Grow Capital among the mid and small cap names that saw a good up move during the day because of the Q4 updates of the company. Other than that, let's pull up the charts in terms of the Nifty 50. What we're seeing at the end of the day, Eicher Motors, Unilever and Titan among the top Nifty 50 gainers. While in terms of the losers, we did have today Infosys, which is seeing clear pressure coming in for the numbers coming out on the 18th of April that we're keeping an eye out on. LTI, Mindtree, IndusInd Bank, among other names that have seen a fall coming in today's trade. Let's see what the mid-cap movers today are. And in terms of the mid-cap names that we are seeing good moves in, CG Power, BDL, Z, that managing to hold on to gains, as well as Laurus Labs, that's holding on to gains. While Emphasis, Gujarat Gas, obviously we're keeping an eye out on that. Coforge, Macrotech Developers, that's seeing a sharp fall as well. And LTTS and Nykaa among the top losers in the Nifty mid-cap. But yes, that's how we're seeing in terms of an move that has come in for the market today. Advance decline ratio is clearly in the favor of advances today versus decline, though the market is not seeing much of an excitement on that front. But yes, so overall PSU banks, Nifty IT, clear pressure coming in on that front. Infosys, TCS, pressure there. Reliance managed to see a bit of a recovery from the day's lowest point, and that came in as a support for the markets. But yes, that's how the day is closing at. Nifty 22,170 levels at the end of the day is what it's closing on, recovered from the day's lowest point.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.